Okay, Abuja, yada se oni ade ahyiamu a lot ena atodwa na ye try say ye de ho nsem nyina no ebeto ani wa agudi kwan so MIN correspondent and aba Kwame Gracious na ho no ma okokohwe game bi game na ba wie Kotoko di nkugo 2-1 na ye won komo kakra di fa ho we must know this ho ebre ene de ba betudwa na ye ho de free mu ba Kotoko adom bi dum ya woman by a channel that is Thursday on Baba Bedru Kumase na preparation towards media man so matter so ayo. Now, go straight to the point. Matisse coach Karim Zito you game no crowd or say team my friend is a Baseke Holy Stars. Say no banko mu and conquer that bottom of the league. Fair enough. Team no Obianka say team K2 team Kasia. But I mean, yeah, let's face the fact. Kotoko ahokeka mo de ball na time too much. Airtime ball dey lose wom draw wom win wom. But ahokeka Kotoko players no wo ekwan yo mo fa so gina pitch so ball na time. Obia mama meye ayi na se bibia wom bi. In fact say wunya highlights ni bi nhwe ya ebi na ye de ato ye main channel no so no ko ha obehu. Na we dey di nkomo ni ye di we nso to ase e di amount okoye main channel ho a obehu se GH Live Studios game no full highlights ni nyina eda ho kama na wahwe bi now enka ene ka Kotoko timi di nkunima more or less enka ye ne aduana kwa akoda sora ye nyina about 23 points na nka bibia wie pe but instead of that no bibia nhye nkran ama ya nkwa ankobobo yiyi anyere ye ho ammo at least see a better anchor for now imagine say Baseke Holy Stars cry kwa we are into me show and now say I mean yentimi ni teams be say mo team a enra homache na opam ni coach sa appointing new coach ama offer Johnson Smith e kind of pongo kama say aba be wo Karim Zito ewie a wo betoto ayampia there's nothing motivated enough it shows a players omo motivated. What is the difference between Kotoko any other teams? Now, we many players are pay $5,000 and $6,000 a month. Sambo, why you be obeko be amo monko? Na mo pay players papa. A mo beku mo. Hwe kwan pa mo fa so she go we. Na fe na wo pagya onsa say offside. Wo de hwe kwan pa. Wo de pagya onsa na untum rika nkonko crash no. Ama team we Baseke Holy Stars fo we. Aha se kotwifo mo so hye wo mo. Ye de we ye koya akototo papa so dada ba ball. And yet the year born na dada team de a ball number 23 on the namasia on phone crash a ball hen kwasi America be a utu number 23 no on fashion ho kwa mpoku full highlight no kwa was go but apart from go ya kwa mpoku shey o pass ball man na boni ko to dwanim neko ne boy isi so saa boy me share ye full 90 menuan reporter itwade mami open tamashi gold onsa kogu tri so ayente sekanko yero ho bobo na munya motivated na mo fa passion zeal e mo ball no woni ba seka ball 1-1 na that time no jubility mo nko for pass na mo nko bobi nka ho team wenka 3-0 2-1 2-0 4-2 na dia man no what make statement tetwa Prince Adupoku mu de no mbokotoko nde nyese na no mbo no Prince Adupoku pa mu bokotoko no ni tire chance no de ade aboniti na dada babo we no mutumrika so mutumrika basa tinkon Peter Midu akwa benya board be kwan ne ho saa te se de oto dame be twa no ho fredede we are not coming to say so be a scapegoat by ye can boy ye born in no there's nothing at stake bibia nimbi na ese ye bo training match bi na pepa ayi bi agro bi break and pass bi bibia no echese ani abresa na yepese ne yesesa ankrofo ye Holy Stars fuyi na ye de kokoda so na defense nyina koka bom soro ho na ball na maha musa ama team a wontua winning bonus team a odini players ka asomoma e motivated enough ashow team a ni coach kra ni nkomo ahodo mienu enra homachi ya eno mu coach omo appoint no atimi ay motivated enough ashow na mo de ade abo bom ti gaga sa mo de mani atutu nuro so sa da bia enko hu mala mamo mo de mani atu nuro so sa na ebobo da bia obi mfa bibi ni mo anim enko park so nko a amma sa nkrofo we green fo we pa atena village one matimi ahye hwe o mo guys no mo jo mani ni ade media me ye video we na maka no straight say Kotoko ni edi eche Kotoko diaries no enye obia na mo obia skase emfa ni eche ye ya na ye passion zeal odo ye o matim no ye di eche ba mu players no mo ye concert hwe Patrick Asi edu akoti ahwete say de obocha scale bi na Patrick Asi edu no kra de Peter mi do akwa ba ne bre because mi do akwa na okwa o ma o ma so de mo nko full highlight no we ma say na matwitwa goals na sisu kwa na me de ama mo ha ba full highlight na da yen channel o mo nko bo mu bo jawu nko a na atimu se ode ne na si wo ode aba bebom kran ha no one inusa guy bi inusa no utimu so mu pa na adabo yes omu tumrika ekoba na hwenkofu edo mu tia pass bo we pa ama samba wabu amfuni we ama nkofu ya kopim bo ya je e wi abese me pay $6,000 aje mon fan kwaso ase ne abo abo nkosesa players ni bi egugu ono mmebo omo so be bosra na omukọ ade isi ya mobra ene eto ye ton ye striker de matim ye ton ye striker de man Libya team Tripoli be tosa ne ye ntua yeka na wo de wa equipe wa yi team ma ono wa Africa ha so ono mfa nkonkọhye nkrofo wo Libya league im na emo wo de wato ahoden so sika nso e maaye Kotoko management ese sorry wakao na mo ye up and doing Mesi yamfa blame MOB aba ye ka general assessment of this game yakoko boy e wanyina si wonni ta team we nkonkobo ente ka nwura ne mfa park ne munhia se wo ba bench aba abechia coach said wa hwe world cup final goal no you should be motivated now bon to net na kapa wasa begina no ma pass no ma pali jago mo so Kotoko that time gidi Prince Adupokumo odi ehokra dem do akwachiri me do akwachiri Michael Asemo bobo a jo ochere mesi etu makike dro 90 minutes pe yiro bobo no kun mesi a team bia be she Kotoko nye ba seke so super league ajepa dia away matches be say na so wia points na nye kokko domanom ne adekwa na buje ba ya omu chinchim yensa kra enye hwe but ukwa hanoma ahasei no opponent bia na ni abri bia betima be 4 points it doesn't look intimidating in look say intimidating a reporter can nyina bia no we see ye pe complain too much and a referee say and I say and fine kosi the same thing and na no ye cause some matters ye nyina atwo ye bo no asamba mpem no e we inside enso pem no inside ye pe kasa too much ye pekasa too much complaints ada bia obi sisi Kotoko da bia obi sisi Kotoko ne sisi nkrofo da baba ya ho ye sisi nkrofo da baba ya ho you know who that is the difference between you and other small teams, you know. Oh, just 7,000 a month, 8,000 a month, 6,000 a month. Do the lowest crown and 4,500 Ghana cedi a month. Now, I know we want 600 Ghana and 700 Ghana and Koba. No more look more motivated. A boss and what? I don't know about Madrid. And I about Timbe. Not Timo Musha t-shirt, black, whip, and round much. Or more pointy coach, you know. Etimia Baba say 2-1. That's an media my Baba book, Masi. League India, where I'm in triage. You're serious. I am sorry, say me kasa say, but you're serious. Match be saying you real points, ewa way. Match be say, ukwa way, no akọ snatch points. And your point to points. I had Diana between a show woman, media between a show woman. With all due respect, hats of folk between a show woman. Young kwa de, break, pass. Obia no ma, team nimu, or so, or yet serious job. Kwampo kwa na no mbo tutu ousu. What's the goal 90 day? Go now, share no one shall crank because the real was here queen a bow way mono. I'm saying my life in think of only and Jomu free. The real crown poku and more queen of bow way mono. Time, second go, you would say. Check. Wouldn't wash you check. The one another friend point, you can find the freaking face a buy it. Well, Bob near bonnie name was or the bubble. Huh? Now, dear Bobo, now where you say, yeah, Jack, Mummy, serious. We should be serious. And as a Kotoko, any other teams in a bar. This team, they are not at our par. Or money any stage back on. And at least we need to show them something. So this is the difference. Akakoba lose, no problem. But they lose, win, draw. But their main challenge is you show dedication. You many bre emre. There should be difference. You many bre. I see the idea who share opponent and so. And who can say that the enemy setting back to opponent and for game nimre. We should rather put the game, rush the game to the opponent. Mummy for zeal any dedication more ball. That she mudane yard or no Kotoko dodo. Yeba near train home near the update. They were out working our video coin so live. Open full channel and I say full highlights now at that channel of modern question na that besma performance I players no exhibit here. Yeba na ya to so edit the akanyina atu